No, my name is April Monte, a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology student at Camarines Polytechnic Colleges. On May 10, 2025, I began my on-the-job training (OOGT) journey at Concentrex Naga, where I was assigned as an IT support engineer.
Week, day 4.
Concentrex is a leading global provider of customer experience solutions and technology services. Headquartered in the United States, the company operates in over 40 countries, serving top brands across various industries such as technology, healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. In the Philippines, Concentrex has become one of the top BPO employers, expanding to key cities including Naga, where it continues to drive growth and job opportunities in the Bicol region. During my time at Concentrex Naga, I gained hands-on experience in troubleshooting hardware and software issues, maintaining IT infrastructure, and providing technology support to both staff and systems. But more than just technical knowledge, what made this journey truly unforgettable was the incredible work environment fostered by our supervisor and colleagues. Our team, especially our supervisor, didn't just treat us like trainees. They welcomed us like family. The bond we formed went beyond professional relationships. It felt like a true barkadahan filled with laughter, bardagulan, and teamwork that made every task enjoyable. We shared not only knowledge but also memories that turned our workplace into a second home. The fun we had was so genuine that we often found ourselves wishing the OJT wouldn't end. This experience not only enhanced my technical skills but also taught me the value of camaraderie, communication, and collaboration in a real world professional setting. It was a chapter of growth, learning, and lasting friendship, an OJT experience I always cherish.